Whether you're new to the world of traditional shaving or looking to refine your technique, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Before we begin, wash your hands. Then, it's important to identify the type of safety razor you have. There are three main types: 2-piece, 3-piece, and butterfly safety razors. Each type has a slightly different method for inserting a blade. First, let's prepare the blade. Safety razor blades are extremely sharp, so handle them with care, gripping them by the short edges. Separate the head, placing the new blade onto the base, aligning it with the posts or grooves. Reassemble by placing the top back over the blade and screwing the handle back on until it's secure but not overly tight. For a 3-piece safety razor, unscrew the handle and separate the top plate from the base plate. Unwrap the blade gently, being cautious not to touch the sharp edges. For those with a 2-piece safety razor, hold the razor by its head and twist the handle counterclockwise to loosen and remove it. Lay the blade over the base plate, ensuring it aligns with the posts or holes. Place the top plate over the blade and screw the handle back on to secure everything in place. For those with a butterfly safety razor, open the razor by twisting the handle to spread the wings of the top plate. Insert the blade into the center of the head, making sure it's flat. Close the razor by twisting the handle in the opposite direction, securing the blade. With the blade now securely in place, ensure it's aligned correctly, with equal exposure on both sides, and that the blade is not skewed. And there you have it. Your safety razor is ready for another close, comfortable shave. Remember to handle your razor and blades with care, and always dispose of used blades responsibly. Do you like this type of content? Please subscribe to this channel. Also, we have the written article with beautiful illustrations if you'd prefer to read it. The link is in the description.